Finishing up, separating my biscuits right in half. Then grab yourself your favorite cheese. I'm gonna go with a sharp cheddar, and I am going to make every piece just go in half. I'm gonna place half of it right on the bottom, nice and quickly here, of my biscuit. Oh, this easy breakfast is going to be a hit. Not to mention, you guys, these go great in the freezer. Okay, so here I got some Jimmy Dean sausage patties. I'm gonna rip those right out of there. I'm gonna take these sausage patties and I'm gonna place it right on top of the cheese. Have you guys ever had anything like this? I wanna hear all about it. I'm gonna tell you what, this is definitely the ultimate breakfast sandwich right here. Let's see if I can get that guy out. There we go. And one more. Perfect. Okay, you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna come back in with that cheese, if I can get some here, and we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna do another half cheese right on top of that sausage, just like that. So we got these layered up with cheese right here, and we're gonna fold over the dough. Now, you can just take that biscuit and you can fold it all the way over, kind of stretch it out, give it a little bit more space, and you'll be able to definitely fully cover the entire sausage patty. So just work with the dough, and you can just make it bigger. It goes right over top, and it works out great every time, you guys. Anyone can definitely whip this delicious breakfast right up with only a few ingredients. Anyone can do this. Okay, so let's lock in that last guy right there. Okay, he looks great. I'm gonna bring my fork in just to kind of move it around the outside. It'll just pinch those edges together and keep that cheese from oozing out. But if some of that cheese oozes out, who cares, right? It is going to be super, super tasty, and it's not like you have to serve it on this. So sometimes the cheese gets out, not that big of a deal. It is all good. So go ahead and seal those all up. We are on a roll right here, and I am excited to eat these. Those look great. Now grab yourself an egg. We are gonna crack it right here, and we're gonna add just a little bit of water to that, just a pinch, you guys, to make a super easy egg wash. I know some people use milk. I don't really tell a difference. I don't know. Can you tell a difference between using milk and water? I think that they're just about the same. So sometimes water is just easy on hand, and that's what I choose. Then grab your little brush and just brush that right over the top. Now the egg wash is just gonna make this look really nice. It's gonna make it look silky smooth on the outside, golden brown, crispy. That's exactly what we want to deliver a nice, beautiful, tasty breakfast sandwich. Oh, we're whipping this together in no time. Oh my goodness, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna choose to add some sesame seeds right on top, but you know what? You don't have to do this. So if you're sensitive to sesame seeds or you don't want them on top, that's fine, you can do without. If there's anything else that you would put on top of these, please tell me about it in the comments, you guys. I wanna know what you're adding, what you're taking away, what you love, what you don't love, and yeah, all about it. So now I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook for about 13 minutes, and stick around because you are gonna love this easy breakfast. Wow, can we just take a moment for this marvelous masterpiece? Look at the golden brown crust that egg wash did. You guys, I'm pretty stoked. Hardly any cheese even got out. Look at how great those look. Wow, those are cooked perfectly. We got some golden brown on the bottom, on the top. Okay, so we're gonna give these a shot. David is super hungry, and I am so grateful that he helped me out all day today. So why don't you come over here, babe? I'm gonna let you scarf one of these down. All right, so David's gonna scarf down one of my marvelous breakfast sandwich masterpieces.
Looks like McDonald's.
Which one would you like? You get to pick any one that you would like.
I'm gonna take this one right here.
Okay, so go ahead. You can feed it to yourself. I want you to bite right in and then go ahead and show everybody the middle of that sandwich. We have that delicious sausage patty just sandwiched in there with some super good cheese, you guys. So many options available for this. If you haven't tried it, this is your sign. It is a must try. And like I said, these are awesome frozen in the freezer. They are great to set and put aside. Let me know what you think of this recipe, you guys. I will see you later. Enjoy.